To share with you another journal that I've made. This one is a soft cover, but it's got fabric and laces on the front. There's 3 signatures in this one, and then there's some crocheted trim. There's some beads on the end of where I've tied the signatures in the middle, so I've just popped some beads on the ends of there. We have a Tim Holtz book plate and the word memories inside there. This fabric has some words on it, but some of them have been covered up. We have hope and dream, and there's obviously butterflies and flowers. There's eyelet, we have an eyelet and organza ribbon closure. This measures 7 by 5, it has a 1.5 inch spine. Like I said, 3 signatures, and I think it's a total of 168 pages front and back. I've used kits from Ephemera's Vintage Garden and Nectar's Creations. So let's go inside. So I put some fabric in the spine here as well, so it's a nice firm spine. It's not going to come away or tear or anything. This paper here is from, it's called Love is Chic, I think it's called Love is Chic. Yes, Love is Chic from Ephemera's Vintage Garden, and I will link that below. And I think it's mainly the pages that are from that kit, and the ephemera I've kind of used from Nectar's Creations, and it's Letter to Rose and the Cottage Garden. And I will link the ladies' shops below. So we have this, I love this page, it's so kind of romantic. And we have a pocket, and I've done some stenciling and stamping throughout, not on every page, but just here and there. We have some ephemera. We have a tag that I've made. This is from Nectar's Creations. We have a dictionary page, some music paper, edge punching, lined paper, lots of places to journal. The little envelope here has 2 journaling cards inside. And I think, yeah, there's stuff on the other side. I can't remember which way I had that now. I think I had it that way. And then we have another tag and a little journaling card. Paper bags. People have asked me about these paper bags. Where did I get them? They've been gifted to me. They're from Daiso, and we don't have a Daiso in the UK, but I have been lucky enough that I've had some of my crafty friends send me some of the bags. So if you're in the US or Australia, I believe Australia has Daiso as well. That's the beads in the middle. You can get them there. And I do think some Etsy sellers sell them as well. It's that way around. Little postcard there. This is an envelope, and there is a double journaling card inside there. Oh, you can't really see that page because I've covered it up, but that's what it looks like. Little flip there, you could staple that or glue it down and make that a pocket. These are the words here are from Carol Tinson, and she put these on her Facebook group, which is called The Crafty Emporium, and she gave them to us to play with, so that's me using them. So thank you, Carol. We have some ephemera, some more ephemera, handmade tag and a little tag there. Second signature here. Got another word here from the Crafty Emporium. A tag, some ephemera and another tag. dictionary page, some music paper, edge punching, crocheted trim, little tag here, and well, that's an envelope, and there is 2 journaling cards inside there. And that just pops in there. Doily, paper bag, the beads. I love the noise of these when they've been tea or coffee dyed. The rustling noise is so, I enjoy that. A large tag here, an envelope, and what's in the envelope? Little journaling card, it says remember. Little flip there. Used one of the journaling cards and just made a pocket, and we have some ephemera in there, a tag and some more ephemera. Third signature, so tuck here, this is a pocket. The pocket here is from Lettuce to Rose from Nectar's Creations, and I've used one of the words again on here, and sorry if I haven't said that I've cut them out, glued them onto cardstock and then some fabric, and then popped them onto some of the pockets. We have an envelope here, I do like this page as well, and inside this envelope we have another double journaling card. Actually put that one up a little bit so we can see that. Paper bag, some crocheted trim, the other 2 beads. You can trim them off, but I kind of like the tails at the bottom of them. This is a little pocket, and this is from Nectar's Creations as well. 2 little journaling cards inside there, and then just a tag. This is a lovely page too. Little flip out here, and another pocket here, and this says wish. Actually, some of the pages that I've used to do the pockets are from Nectar's Creations Paris Traveller's Notebook Kit. I just picked a page out of that and cut that up and used that as my pockets. Some ephemera, a tag, and another little tag, and that is the journal. So it's quite chunky for a little journal. You could actually pop this in your handbag because it's not mahoosive. This will be listed in my shop. I will list the digital designers below, and if you have any questions just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.